Cousins, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be on this gorgeous unit from Shein. I'm showing you how it looks once it has been washed, and that is the inside cap construction. The information on this wig is, first of all, it's by Shein. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. This is their highlight curly wave bob. It is a 13 by 4 by 1 T-part lace wig, and it is 100% human hair. And as you can see, the main attraction is the effortlessness in this wig as well as the color. Right now you see me using my Even spray, which is linked in my Amazon storefront. All products that I use will be linked in my Amazon storefront. And I'm just going to do a quick spray down application straight to the point. This is how the wig looks once I wet it and brushed it out. Absolutely no product. Now I'm adding a little bit of mousse to define the curls, and watch me work my magic. Just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it. Amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid. And it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. I did my curly hair routine in reverse for this install, and I like the way it came out. As you can see, I'm just clumping the curls so they can be super defined. And then in just a sec, I'm going to show you how to do little ringlet curls when you want that kind of coiled curly look. Serving angles, the highlights on this wig is so beautiful, and this is how it looked once it was air dried. I'm gonna go in and fluff it out because y'all know me, big hair, don't care. I'm definitely gonna fluff it out. Let me give you guys my quick perspective on this unit. It is a low maintenance curly wig. Once you define the curls, they stay. I did not sleep with this wig on, however I wore it for about 3 days, and the maintenance on it was definitely intact. I don't suggest sleeping in this particular curl pattern because once you define the curls, it will stay like that. It's so effortless. If you guys are interested in purchasing from Shein, I will leave a link down below to this wig and a direct link to their website, because girl, you can furnish your house at Shein. You can furnish your wardrobe at Shein. You can serve so many different looks from your head to your toe to your home. Shein has it all, okay? I love Shein. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for rocking with me. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below and I'll get right back to you. Bye.